Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and I make videos about Japan. Literally every day is a something day in Japan. There's cat day, dog day, first love day and meat day. Today is natto day. Yes, natto are the stinky, slimy, fermented soybeans. I eat it every day, I love it. So why is July 10th natto day? That's because the word natto, nat sounds like 7 in Japanese and to sounds like 10 in Japanese. So natto is July 10th. Now these are not actual holidays in Japan. They're more like anniversaries, memorial days, called kinenbi in Japanese. So to celebrate today, I'm gonna try push the boundaries and make some fun stuff with it. So the other day I was making gyoza and I thought, oh hey, why not put natto inside it? So that's what we're gonna do today. Oh my god, no! I can go back on. Let's fry them! Such a big pan for like 4 gyozas. So this is the end product. See, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? I think you can really trick someone into eating natto if you present it to them like this. So it could be like a gyoza prank. Let's see if they're crispy or not. Can you hear that? Let me put it against the mic. That's a good sound. Let's cut one up. Oh, it's so sticky. This is like alien spit. Why am I doing this? Slime. The slime is actually what's very healthy for you. Okay, well, taste test. Okay, it's quite bitter. I think because it's cooked, it tastes a little bit dry. I mean, I know it looks very sticky and slimy, but the beans themselves taste a bit drier than what they're supposed to. I don't think I'll ever do this again. It doesn't taste very good. I'm also gonna try making natto omelette. I don't know how that's gonna turn out. I think people have done it in the past, but let's try it. Natto usually comes in a packet like this, and they also come in straw packages like this. I've also got here natto chips. We're gonna try that last. I'm gonna open this one for the omelette. The soy sauce packet is behind the sheet. And there it is. These beans are so big. Actually looks really nice. The camera battery died halfway, so I was trying to change it and it made this a little overdone, but still this smells pretty good. It smells like a really good egg. I'm using Kumamoto eggs. Let's change the plate. Okay, so as I said, this smells pretty good and we're going to try it now. Oh, it's so slimy. Okay, this is what the bite looks like. I'm gonna try it. Hey, it's actually good. It's much better than the gyoza one. This is so juicy. And I think the mayonnaise helped as well. Oh, it's really good. This is actually enjoyable. Finally, we need to try the natto chips. What? Oh, it smells so nice. Okay, so these are rice crackers with natto seasoning. Let's try. There's wasabi in it. I think. It doesn't taste like natto at all. It tastes really good. It's salty and sweet. Basically like a sweet soy sauce flavor with wasabi. Can this be so good? It's such a deceiving packaging. Because it's not like natto at all. It doesn't smell like natto, doesn't taste like natto. This is just like any normal rice cracker. It's got a hint of spice on it, and I think there's little bits of natto on it. Not sure, but it's good. It's so good. Definitely recommend this. Like, even if you don't like natto, you'll be fine with this. Natto also comes in a dried form flavored with soy sauce and is eaten as a snack. If you're new to natto, maybe you can try this first. At least there is no slime at all. Traditionally, natto was made by wrapping boiled soybeans in rice straw, which naturally contains the necessary bacteria on its surface. This bacteria ferments sugars in the bean, eventually producing natto. The production method has since been modernized after the bacteria has been isolated. The fermentation promotes the growth of probiotics. You need that for a healthy gut and thus a healthy mind. Natto is loaded with vitamins and a great source of protein and nutrients, especially a particular enzyme that will likely protect you from blood clots. A lot of people compare it to blue cheese, but I personally think it smells more like socks than cheese. It's really not that bad. The beans are slightly bitter, but after stirring it 10 to 20 times, the umami will come out and the soy sauce package just rounds it off wonderfully. You should really try it since it is such a healthy food. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment, like and share if you want to see more videos like this. Hit that notification bell and subscribe for more Japan related content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!